Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. People, sorry for not the strong voice today as I usually do, but I have a terrible piece of sickness and now. I'm trying to get over. But anyways, enough of that. Welcome back to the new movie. This one is called Bad Roommate. So here we go. Do usual like, subscribe, comment all this, and I'm more big on my cousin them in the video. So alright. Dan Craig, you know, say my bro Billy bad do about him. He personally built this one for me a couple of years ago. So it now as fresh as it normally is, but I show them some picture. I'm just put them on the screen right now. So I'm going in contact information with the number in the description if you don't want to get to yourself a bad load about too. Alright, but anyways, just enjoy and subscribe. Chelsea, good morning.
Morning. Here come.
How are you doing?
I'm blessed.
Well, I don't know if you check your calendar about the first month. I don't know where you stay. You could have sent off your money now.
First a month rent.
Yes.
Lord have mercy. Every minute rent. As me pay me rent, you come back, me see you again.
Well, I don't really mean that. I want them to change. Because you know, say, every first month I have to be there. So,
I don't have no cash, but I can make one deposit.
That's alright, man. So you know no cash. Oh, your work now go on good again?
You know, so nothing now go on good after Melissa. Me tell you the truth. From Melissa gone with everything and everybody things.
Boy, I understand.
Rough right now.
That's why I'm so desperate for you to correct them right now. I'm going to link my other tenant them too. God no. But, no worry, man. Everything's so alright.
I don't know if it's so alright, because this I get harder and harder for me. And as me pay one rent, the next rent due.
Well, you can't move out. You have a place to live, said way.
Yeah, me need a place to call home.
So yeah, I forgot to figure out something to do, man, because me not see you can't owe me, you know, but in this time I know. And the best time for owe me, because things just stick for everybody. And me not say me I go put you out if you one day you can't find the money, you know, but me just say, you know. So me know you Chelsea house, lah.
Yeah, me know this. I know.
Me know say you know. So here I go on. Just figure it out, man. If me not say get one second job or why, but you know say you need help come on this way. So yeah, you gotta find a way. You know say I
go find a way. Make right now. Me go think about it.
Alright.
Like how you convince me, you just give me one brilliant idea. I go look about it.
Alright.
I go look about it.
Just send off it to my email.
You must send off here, check your account here. Alright, thanks. Me need to find one roommate or something. I swear, this rent thing, this rent, as me pay one rent, one next rent due. I get frustrated, I can't manage it. Things and time get hard right now. When me find money now after me pay my rent. Oh.
Well, go on.
Not touching now, go on.
So yeah, rake up here and I miss spot. Rake up here properly, man.
Kayla,
Eh?
take you. See rubbish shit there at this end.
Are you a rake the yard, Kayla? You don't even rake the yard properly, man.
Yeah, let me ask you something. You rake it? Eh?
Me just
You
rake
rake
up.
yard?
I'm not supposed to rake it. I'm a younger one, you know.
Girl. Look here.
I am the younger one.
Take up your back. Like, let's kick you over this one, man. Me kick you in your tongue.
That's nasty, though. So you rake up here and I miss spot and I come blame me for me as you come around here.
Y'all. Let me tell you something now. You see, anytime me they are rake up yard, you did there sleep. Yeah? Anytime me did there tidy up your house, you did there pay your big back now do nothing. So you have a person of a chat boy nasty, you know.
What else? I will work for lead on for my big back. As can't you say my back big. It's a whole energy for lead on
girl, energy where? Eh? Energy where?
Yeah,
do nothing?
Yes.
You feed yourself? You can't even take care of yourself. Where you contribute? Me used to blow down the house and I see I'm gonna nearly up and so.
Me work. My man not send me no money and me not work. So how me I go help you? Are you the bigger one? Put in the work.
Kayla, how much?
Me liquor.
No, how old you be?
Me just 18, me liquor. Me a liquor.
Alright, then it's like when you're 18. You're old enough, by the government law, you're old enough can go on your own. So you know what you're going to do? You're going to take up.
What?
bag.
What on, man?
You go come
Remember,
out
say no fear places, you know. I know fear
man. Tired of you. Every day I get up here with the same thing. I'm not. You're different. I'm tired of you now, man. You can't even me and your parents are come back to people about me spot.
Go and check my nice, good up sister, you know. See if we can get a thing to borrow or beg or kind of hungry still, you know. What go on, sis?
Chibi,
You alright?
me not right a backside.
How are you, sis? Set a foot good now, sis.
Okay,
Visitor
come
come in
there,
the yard, man.
Visitor me back.
How long you not see me? Why,
Don't want
sis?
share us or your broad.
Sis,
I know me stress out.
what's stress you?
Landlord just come check me about rent.
Sis, stop prank, man. Stop prank. Do you know every time I come in the yard, I beg me come for bigger?
As a man come in, man, they remind me say I first a month. And me start at me same time.
You serious?
Me not prank your brother.
Sis, stop it now, man. Stop it. Because you know what I'm up to for me come in the yard. Because one thing I come in, two things I come in the yard for. Either money or food. Why, sis? Been kind of empty still, you know.
Chibi,
Right now, I'm hungry. White squad a box, me left, right, center, in the middle, around the world, upside it done.
who does that?
You know, I have no 5,000 can lend me buy
Chibi.
some grocery.
One thing for sure, you see? And two things for certain. Me no got no money. You know what I just have to do a while ago?
What?
Me have to tell the landlord say me want transfer money in my account. Because me have one little savings in my account and I hit me have to go give landlord my rent. Because I'm not normally late with my rent and I don't have no cash in my house.
So you put landlord over me. Tell the landlord say you forgive some time and the money you did have a transfer we have in your savings. Draw one look 5 grand here, brother, sis.
Well, and stick a whole pop in. Me put landlord over you. You put your belly all over your head. Which part me feel live when me take my rent money give you go near me out. You sense?
Sis, me can't put you up. Me can't. Me have one thick blanket there on my teeth over Panama. Me can't get me spread on the ground and make a little sleep. Right now, I'm hungry, sis. You don't have nothing I can eat.
Show you your tongue if you say your brother. First say, sis, gotta work out him, man. Just go and pray. Hope and pray. I can't tell me foolishness about damn spread. When you know make up one tent and live in a up this water door in your yard.
But me live somewhere.
And me no live nowhere.
Me not
Because of the day me
you.
no have me rent, me no live nowhere. Me take your money pay your rent. Me no have no money give figure for damn food.
Sis, cut out that, sis. Still and still. If I give me 3 grand, please.
You know hear me say me no have no money.
Sis, 2.
You know what happened to TV? As a day I saw chat foolishness. Me chat logics. You know say landlord just left your son say something to me where it makes sense.
What that?
Like he must say, you know say everything hard for everybody right now, but he must say he would have give me a blight, me no have no money to pay me rent one night time, but right now me can't owe him because money just stick right now and he need the money from business in business money. So he might tell me say, yo, you think me can probably try work up a thing. And I say, you know, say me can't do it, you know, me can't one roommate. Me think me could have get one roommate. What you think? Me can get one roommate and split your rent half and half. She give me half my rent and me put the next half. That the way they can have little savings, brother. This renting it a jag me.
Boy, sis, no, until I lie, I want good woman, you know. I mean, appreciate you as my sister, but and everybody have a heart like what you have. So me roommate we just come and build. So me come and break it and you have to think smart, sis. You can't just get anybody to call a roommate to come put at your place. Because some of them run up light bill, water bill, every bill. I just cut down left your sis.
Oh God, not even that. You know say. You make one good talk a while ago, you know. You have to look about it.
And if me did have the money, you wouldn't even have to think about no roommate, sis.
But me have to look about it, TB. Me have to look about it just go give it a try and hope say I want good roommate me get. One good. So like when you go down the road, you know, people always look place to rent. If you book up nobody where you think have little good in them or your spirit tech where you would have one contact number
so
to get somewhere
you don't have nobody in mind?
Me not have nobody in mind right now, TB. Me not have nobody in mind. You're a man. You always look for a woman and woman always a top ask about place to rent a road. They more fi ask you than fi ask me.
Sis, at 5 minutes ask if I but if you could have just give me $2,000.
You still a beg money, TB? Or you long got and one got and love name so?
Just $2,000.
You too grabalicious, me not got no money.
That's why I like come in your yard, you know. Me gone in my yard,
You always like come on me yard all the while, but no, me not got no money. You broke now and I mean have no money for get come and
money?
come and
I know you have
continue.
money for.
Go along where you go match stick boy, me not got no money.
know, say me sitting and me looking through it. My sister real bad mind. In bad mind me. Cause he can't throw me now wash the plate. I throw me now put up the bed. I throw me now rake up the yard. Him put up me cause him bad mind me. My sister is a bad mind, like a dirty girl, you know. Long time I get a bad mind me now. You know what? I'm gonna go find somewhere going because this not safe. I can't believe my mother makes one thing. It's big and what this.
With a Slimmers, I go. Slimmers!
Yeah,
Some nice, beautiful Slimmers. Can I get some other food there?
No, right now you should give me something. Can you get this right now?
Me have a nice 3/4, 3.5, 3 inch right now. I travel with that. And my third leg, we would have like if you can get right now.
Me no want that. Right now that can't benefit me. Right now, my sister throw me off. And I have no way I go. So that nah do nothing for me. That nah work.
But
that
at
too
this
small.
a 3.5 plus 3/4, 3.7 centimeter.
That can't put roof over my head.
Ah. So your sister throw you out for real?
Yes, me with me bag. Right now, me cousin me go get some food, but she can't put up me. She living with her man.
Oh.
Me dey stop over there when me a come.
Me can't put up either, you know. Me living with my woman, you know, but the best thing I can do for you, I have a sister, I want a roommate. You understand what I say a while ago?
Yes, I can't put in me because I live with a woman.
Oh, I have a sister we want a roommate. Like, let me explain to you. You and I would have live in, see? When month time come and if you pay rent, you are going to put half and she are going to put half.
Oh.
You come like, you know, say you come like a godsend car about 5 minutes ago. I left my sister yard. And I said things she had tell me, say she want a roommate and see. Right, that's what me come.
So I have to pay no rent now?
No.
Oh.
By next month.
So come on, come show me place and I want to move in.
Alright, come on. Alright, no problem.
Okay.
Alright.
But too bad, you know, some brother a good youth. As much as me there go on this morning, I sorry say me no find no money could have give me a little change. Although me know say a food more take you buy. Kind of cook and yard, you know. I love fast food. Tin mackerel and rice and only thing in yam down and yard.
Sis! Good news, good story.
Tibi, you again, you know, just left up here.
Hold on. Wait.
Open no money coffee bag again, no. Come tell you a while ago say me don't have no money.
Brush off your foot, Slimmers.
Hello, young lady.
Hello, hi.
Who are you?
I'm fine.
This is Chelsea, my sister. Chelsea, this is Slimmers. You can call her Slimmers.
So Tibi, make your face light up. So your girlfriend?
No. You don't tell me say. You don't tell me say you want a roommate.
Me did suggest that to you, but me never know say go look about you right away, so quick.
So, you think a chicken me a jerks?
What you say now?
Alright, me just come to introduce Slimmers to you, cause me did not explain to her about the roommate situation and she agreed. She said she can get, how much she rent?
Wait, you want to pay the rent?
Yeah, so you and her go stay. How much she rent?
Oh, when I tell her my business, that she come out the room and you.
So I'm going to to her right or so, but sis, you want to do something, like come and do something for you and can buy something, please. No?
Yeah, you did beg me money this morning.
Sis, make it look so.
Alright.
Make it look nice.
Alright,
Alright, so this have to buy things them for you for, not true?
yes, good job.
Alright, so Slimmers, my sister,
Yeah.
talk to her.
Get a TV.
We can sit down?
Yes, sit down right so.
Thank you.
So, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name is Kayla, but everybody call me Slimmers,
Okay.
as I can see. And I am 18.
Okay, you're a big woman. So you are work?
No, you know, me not work, but me have a man who send me money every month. Every month he send me money. I'll do in the month. Sometimes he send me money 3 times for the month.
So you're not work, but you go rent one place?
My man has send me money.
Okay, so that means you're trying to tell me say you got that covered. Your rent,
Yes,
your
my rent
you pay.
covered. Yeah, we pay.
Okay. So, how long now since my brother meet you?
You know, see a while ago on the road, you see me, I walk come and in there flirt with me. And he tell me about the place. What the fuck, you know? When I think about it, you know, so I look your brother that look me. And when I asked him if he could have put me up, you know, in my team when living with woman, I said,
He
awful.
look you?
Yes! Come and flirt with me, tell me all type of something about in tree, whatever, but that
I don't know you from Norway.
Right.
Okay, well, that's why you reach up here.
Mm-hmm. So
Cause
now,
you know, we don't need to put your kind of live with woman for you.
Oh.
So I'm not lying tell you. So every time you come, make me show you your room. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about your room before me carry you go and I have some things laid out to you.
Okay.
So first and foremost, my name is Chelsea87.
Okay.
And I've been living here for a period of time. My landlord don't have no issues because I have no problem with me. I try to avoid that.
Yes.
Apart from that, this is my home, so I respect where I lay my head to rest.
Yes.
Which means that I keep my place clean. I don't want no bag of company pack up in my place and no bag of scammer, smoke no ganja, cigarette, and I drink no rum. I don't say you can't have a friend them.
Yeah.
But this is gonna be our space now because you're gonna share space with me. If you know say you have your laundry, if you do, please me I beg you get up and do that. I don't want all the dirty clothes throw down in my place, no dirty pot and dirty plate when you cook and eat and those type of things.
You don't have to worry, me the cleanest person ever. I used to clean for Jamaica.
Me no want no problem.
Me no.
And for your rent come in on time and the landlord can come every first month and get your money,
Yes.
now you will work out just fine.
Just fine.
Anyway,
No problem.
Cut long story short. I don't know if you don't pay that time, but I hope you're nice as I say. And we can get along without no problem. I'm going to show you my room.
Okay.
And I hope you like it.
Yes, I quite like it.
Okay, come this way. Alright, so come let me show you what going on in your son. Alright, so this is my space.
Okay.
So we rent like $20,000 a month. So we are going to split it half and half. Right? This is the bedroom. The room come with everything what you're seeing here. Rent the place like this. So it come with the 2 bed, the couch, dresser, chester's drawer, little things them. Right? Only thing you know come with a no man.
Oh, you know coming now, man.
So I try to make you know from early. So if you have a little people them,
Yeah,
you do your thing. Run this by yourself.
Yeah.
Cause it's a free space. We don't really want no man in my place.
Okay, me understand.
This is gonna be my bed.
Yes.
That's gonna be yours. We're not fat, so we fit anyway.
Okay.
Right? Alright.
Yes.
This is the bathroom. Nice clean bathroom in there. So
Yeah.
you have the hall there, so we just walk come through.
Yes.
And the kitchen on the other side. Please, may I beg you.
Yes.
It's very, very clean and tidy. Me like when people clean, because I'm a zero tolerance person. I'm allergic to nastiness.
Me clean, man.
As long as me ain't got no problem,
Yes.
we're good.
We're good.
Right? So
Yes.
comfortable space here? Look
Thank you.
comfortable? Okay, good. Awesome. So when me I go get the deposit?
Next month, man, I get everything in a one.
You just a movie in your already?
Me not owe, me never plan for it. Me I just me never plan it just sudden so.
Okay.
And me never accept. You know, say I kick my sister kick out me through bad minus.
Alright.
Yes, so.
You're young and me I go give you a blind.
Yeah.
I know you like that, but let's hope so me get to know you and me I can work out this. And
Yes.
work out it without no drama. Right? So you
Right.
say next month we get everything in one?
Next month, everything in one.
We just pay rent for landlord come here earlier this morning. Now every first month me rent the one me no late with me rent.
Okay.
So and if me have to hungry and go my bed go and biscuit and drink water, me pay me rent.
Good, good.
So me just make you know.
Alright.
So since me pay rent already,
Mhm.
next month we start out that day. As you say, me I
Next
keep your
month.
word feet.
Yes.
Next month and next month.
Okay.
Next month and next month, Kayla, not next year.
No, man, me understand, man.
Okay, good.
Me understand. Then next month, me must give you 20.
Good, nice,
Yes.
good girl.
10 this
like
month
your
and 10.
style.
Yeah, man,
Alright.
I'm gonna say, nice to meet you, Chelsea.
We are work out here, right?
Yeah, we're out things,
Alright.
man.
Me I go out on the front.
Alright.
Alright. Relax and try to get comfortable.
Yeah.
This is my home, now our home.
Yes, our home. Touch door. Can't more than my sister. Yeah?
Kayla, what you need to do?
You there, lie down.
Just lie down so.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I say? Me I go up and I go deal with some business. Me go up and I go deal with some business. You alright?
Yeah.
This is very comfortable everything. You just relax up when you come in
Yeah.
in, you're not even out the door.
You're comfortable, bad man.
So you're inside and now come outside.
You soon come outside.
Okay. Alright, if you could help on the carpet and I beg you one favor, you can do it for me please?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, me in one hurry come drive out the door. Me I beg you to just get a broom for me and sweep off the carpet for me.
Yeah, no problem. You sleep off your fear, man. I lease that.
And your bed one Straighten it up.
Oh yeah, me straighten it up.
Straighten it up.
Yeah, man.
Just tidy it up for me.
Yeah.
And neat up the place.
Yeah, me do it.
Your
Take up
things,
the clothes them.
Okay.
Yeah man, no problem.
Alright, I go up and go do some business. Me soon come back here.
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Stay safe.
Alright.
Yeah.
And keep it clean, please.
Yeah, yeah. I see now. Sleep off the carpet. Try me can't wear them type of work here now. I say if I'm not me now, me like. Jesus, how what this here? Some dolphin here. He just lean so. And we have this use band on this off to clear up the year. No long more one stick shave. I'm putting on the back. Long time I want one stick shave. Long time, man. Boom! So girl, I have money, man. All I'm asking. It look better for me. Yeah, man. So much look better for me, man. What are we in a man? Think I can't go.
Boy, Chelsea, I saw you take man from out of the lane.
What we done? We are fighting me for.
Because me I tell you, so me I come up in the lane too bad. Me lick up the car bumper, me have to wonder if I throw glass dark, me have to take off it.
Hurry me, just tell me roommates and me driver wait for me and I hurry to go somewhere go do some business.
Boy, lane body, no long me have wait
Right
for you.
car.
Me park it right out there so you can't come on and so me tell you lick up the
Alright,
front
come,
bumper.
ready. Oh shit, wait. Okay then, me left sitting. Me left sitting.
Chelsea, me left on time, you know.
Give me 1 minute. No,
Me there right there, so me don't start up the car.
Me left your money.
Go feed that thing for.
Chelsea!
Kayla,
Yeah.
and why are you doing my things them?
No, me have to save space in there can put my clothes in case I have to clean up your room. So me have save space in there can put my clothes in. See me full up my clothes in there.
The space over here so where you can put your things them?
Yeah, me never me myself first. Me have come in here and me don't too know what they in our. So I look safe space.
Make you be first and the last are going on my things them. These are my stuff.
Me never know.
You don't go in on my stuff. Me don't want nobody to go through my stuff.
Yeah.
Me really frightened while I go still.
Me don't be a fool to do that.
So one dresser here, I see one wardrobe over there so.
Oh.
Use over there so. Over here is my space. Me don't like nobody in my things them.
Oh, no, like that man because
Okay.
me see I just gonna.
Alright, come in that thing something different.
Oh.
Anyway,
So how that
excuse.
there? How that there?
What that what?
Like I want big rat. But anyways, I will say turn back for again.
No rat not in here.
Oh.
Anyway, sorry.
Yeah.
As you say over there so you have to use. Now go back in on my
Okay.
things them. Lucky thing me forget my money and come back in here. Me really I wonder what kind of impertinent move them they make, but I give you benefit of the doubt, Kayla.
Yeah.
Use over there so.
Ah,
I'm going on the street. Yeah. Tibi, I want to you.
No, that's one dog. I run me done, sis.
Dog run you down, I run Sarah man, I run you down.
Which boy can't run me done?
Sarah got kill yourself so far. I have to take a look.
You want dog bite me up?
Me have one driver wait for me just to go deal with it in there. You see me driver what they say?
Oh, short nigga where I say he road mash up in car. But anyways, that no concern me. I girl me can't take pan, ain't it? Yo, dog,
In
them
the house,
fast,
me
fast.
have
Yo,
business a while
dog.
ago. And me I left out with my driver. But me just remember say, me not have no money, so me turn back for going out to go start out my money. To be sure, say, I want good somebody who can come give me if you can rent place if you roommate with me.
Boy, well, anything not good, you know. You have to dash way, you know. And once she no dash way, you know, it good.
I don't like baggage, you know. A while ago, I go somewhere and I turn back to take out some money at my jar. And I see a young girl in there. I search up my clothes, them.
Search up your clothes.
Yeah, in my drawer.
Probably a fear jar. You didn't tell her which jar fear.
No, I never really outlined that to any extent. Maybe just an honest mistake. I don't want to think what I think.
What you think?
I think she get impertinent and I search up me sitting them.
No, this she not bad. She not bad, sis. A good girl. The driver go there wait for you. Go on.
Good all gone left
She in
me.
there.
She in there. Call her, call her.
And some dog, wait. Some dog, they right down there, so. No, none of them bite us, sis.
I don't have to walk with no stone. We have give me big old rock stone to walk with her.
So if the dog them rush you,
So, as she you come up about?
you come for check for her. I no come about her. Go on,
You come to check for her, you come to see her.
I come for see her. To find out if she go. Go on, sis. Go on.
Damn liar.
Kayla! See once.
How that?
I me man, Tv.
Tell me what you want.
No, I just come for check for you. I come to talk to you.
Your sister not there, you know?
Me know, man. Me see him pass me a while ago.
Oh, may I come? Come on the veranda, man. Where you say?
Come for a little reason with you.
But what now?
I'm just to check if you're alright, how you doing.
I'm doing well.
So, would like for make you weller. You understand?
No, I don't understand. Make me understand.
Like say, me not tell a lie, no, I like me get to like you, you know. And I want to get to know you more.
Tibi, no, yesterday you look for me and tell me say you live in a house with you, man. So what me I do with you?
Man, B, come on, man. Come on, Slimmer. Sorry for calling me. I just do me like you know, me can't explain to how me like you right now. Me all nervous I call you, you know, me be as yet. But my woman there that give me be a problem, headache that. Be a Cetamal, be a Panadol me a fear by, be a... We go to left all today, no?
Oh,
Cause we just catch up.
That's goodly. And the next thing too, I'm not let man talk to nobody who can't do nothing for me. Can't talk to broke people. I mean, I really look no man right now. It was so then can't do nothing at all for me. That's not gonna work out.
But the damn bright and face to you mean me can't, me and me shoot. A 4 bite, me buy give my friend them one day. I just threw me crashing my crown one day. Me fall off. Nothing I go on for me because I did the hospital for a few months. So nothing I go on for me, me never did a work nor nothing. Oh, we can't do everything for you now.
So you have money?
So if you feel like when me tell us me a mish, you feel mish, mean leash.
Oh, that you mean for some own?
No, Kayla, I'm rich.
Alright. As kind to you say you rich. We think about it. We think but one thing. How me know say you rich for true to be? How me go and know? Tell me. Because me no want to take your word for it because sometimes people talk say them rich and they don't rich.
Kayla, you see yesterday, when I see me whisper in my sister's ears, I did lend her 5 grand. Even lend her, I give her 5 grand, but through my sister I like take things. My sister think I lend her and I hit she again back. But me can't show you a little definition of rich. What is rich? Alright. This is how you come call it. Zin?
Yes.
That have for your son that's all chat to me, Zin? This have to tell you to think about me.
Yes.
And this have for number where you would have give me a now.
Yes.
What more proof you want?
Oh, may I get on my head?
Oh. Sun kind of hot still.
Oh.
This have to buy one water.
Alright. But, you know the next thing too? Me I see the money, you know, but me not see it in the clothes, man. Your shirt don't look rich. Your chain on the neck don't look rich. Neither your shorts.
You know
neither your hairstyle.
You know how much I pay for my shirt? My shirt costs 30 grand, but me tell them say for double it because I'm rich. Me tell them say I'll sell it for 60 grand.
Okay, it don't really matter as long as me I see the money, me good.
And the next thing too. Buy 2 water instead.
Yes.
Buy sun kind of hot.
So you can buy one Lucozade. Dig down man in your pocket, man. Dig deep, man.
How much one Lucozade?
Me don't know, 1 5 bills. Me don't know because it's
Alright.
expensive.
Next time I buy a Lucozade, because money when I have now, I feel like can go buy some things to eat and then some groceries to put in my house.
Alright, you see something me I talk about? I hope when me start, more think about it doing, but I hope when me start talking, you know how them actually just fling on money. So come like when money are real, like when rain a fall.
And you know the next thing too,
Yeah.
glad that my sister for today.
Yes.
So me can get to see her more often.
Good. You say me I come every time when you come with money.
Money.
Don't come and not come with no money, Come here, we disappear.
So take my number so me can call her when me are forward.
Alright, no worry, me I go for my phone.
Alright, go for it.
Alright.
That was fast.
Yeah man, once the money right, me move fast.
Alright, make sure you lock the number. The number
Yes.
you me.
Alright. Later.
So you just run me so you...
No man, you not run you. Me fi go therapy place and me no stay up on the veranda. And your sister say, no man no fi come in your house. And you is a man. Take your time and go on. Alright.
Not even one hug.
No worry, you say man,
Alright,
you have more money?
alright.
Have more money?
This is for one hug.
Oh God, man, $100? No. One man, $100? I put on $5,000.
Can't believe some borrow coloring book money what year. And the whole like girl, it can even get a hug. But still and still I say boy live, you know. I wonder if you know. Oh, when they? Come you want to see me, I don't have to tell her for game.
Oi man. Oi man. Why you squeechy past me?
Oh.
I know sir, yes, so me live.
You know, say I try to surprise her. I think me a figure, you know.
Surprise me. You,
Yeah.
you know, remember say you owe me?
See, me bring if you can't get what make me the squeegee come here and say, me want to surprise them. No, I just pop up on you, so it's a
Well, the
surprise.
surprise ruin. And you know, squeechy pass, because even a squeechy pass, good moon to see you. So like how you see me now, just give me the money.
Me have it, man.
Yeah man, give me it man.
You know, say me
Nobody
no.
a squeechy pass.
You know, say me no run them the joke.
Look in your next pocket man. I love the things that I come out, I come in nearly, I go in my house and some fresh air, I go and catch. I come like a father got if you stay right a sucker, you go pass. How much packet you have? A 4 packet have you know? So me know where you look in your pocket so.
Oh. Backside, you know, say I chew drink too much rum, me look like, say, oh, me I lose focus, you know, say, two girl hold me on, so they're gonna rob me.
2 girl hold you and rob you?
Rob me, they have one nigga there, that's why I couldn't escape. Just remember.
Well, on man, I want to say something to you before. Me I go say this to explain what I go say in the last. You know say, woman are the most amount of people up on earth now. You know some man's case? Woman not rob nobody right now and yam them out. Say if the woman take your money and rob you, you know rob my money, you rob for your money, so give me for my money.
But me not, I did have in my pocket for come get, but me don't know where me a prop.
I want to tell you say you know. Me no think you tell me lie you know. You know, me no want to think that you come like you want good youth. Right now, me not sure about what time now, 1 o'clock. Me no think 1:30 you want good youth, so. Just pay me one next time. Yeah, me not want good mood now. Just pay me one next time.
Can't believe you me get robbed and me even remember I know.
Listen what me I say now. I mean, no, you tell nobody, you know. You understand? A 3 girl, me about there in my bed, you know.
3?
One of them I want look midget, and one of them I want big mampy, and one of them in front teeth. No look too good, but you know, man, 3 girl me have one me yard.
So you can't give me one in front teeth no good?
Well, me deal with the next 2 already. So see, as me done with that one day, you can't get him. But the only way I will get him, make sure you give me back my money. You understand? And one more thing. How much money you give me again?
But 10,000.
Anyway, you can't give me 9. But if you chat, I 10 more. Look more.
Mad. When me I get coloring book money from for game.
Oh, say me looking through you. I want some money, you know. Some money from a boy there. But yet still, I really want him. I want some money from him. Maybe I text him. Maybe I don't text him. I want some more money. Anyways, I can go walk that shop. What's cool here? Go on.
No, why you there on the road with your titties something them
Oh, no worry about that.
So, why you born? Remember something the price?
What happened to you?
Not a thing. You know say, why? You know, say I'm a little sister. I just
Yeah, me
feel
know that.
away, you know. So, I feel away some pretty out. I don't know if I want to move in back and everything, but it's space still there. I don't know if I want to move in back because when I look at them, I say, be bad if you just put you out. You know,
What if me I hear good? Or wax stick up in my ears?
probably walk stick up in the
No, girl. I don't want to bother moving. I thank God every day see you dash me, you know. Because since you dash me, I'm own a place, me with a big wall. It's not even a board house like when mommy gone left. The board broke down house there. It's a wall house with 2 beds in the inside kitchen and inside bathroom. Everything a flourish for me. So I'm glad the time when you put me out, you can keep that. You,
Well,
me I have money, man. Money and come in regular now. I did well done in my life, man.
Oh, me I did well done.
Yeah.
Anytime you did that, me amount my money, I never know say how well me done. You see, if I never you, me done alright, you know. Me done very much alright. Me give up my opportunity at university just to please you and make it feel big, long, God full. You big back girl. I said, you're too big and angry.
I didn't look for you and tell you, say,
take
give
it
up your
back.
opportunity.
Hey, how you done survive? You can't
never
even wash
ask you.
hands.
No worry yourself.
Oh, no
Send
worry.
how you dash
Take
me
up.
out and me I survive.
Yeah.
Man wants me. Man
Right.
see me and give me
Right,
money.
so
What's the
guess
problem?
what? Me I fling you again. The space not there up there. Me give it to the
then they
rats
come
them
back
up
here,
there.
they
I
both
don't want
broke
you
down
back
thing.
there.
Just
This
broke
one like
down
back.
life.
Thank you. I only hope anytime no happen to you and run come back there.
Go upset me.
Right, just sit my stomach like.
Chelsea. Miss Chelsea.
Hey, call Chelsea for who you?
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Chelsea don't like when man come in yard.
Really?
She tell me that. So who's you? My brother?
That's a good thing. So who is you?
Yeah, who is me? I'm a roommate. I'm the new tenant.
Roommate. Chelsea, your landlord.
Yeah, me and her pay rent together. No, she's like, yeah, cause me don't know. Me and her pay rent. But how you don't know my business, so?
You know who maybe?
Me don't know. You don't say that. You don't say that righteous.
Me a owner for your house. Me feel like you have to go call Miss Chelsea.
You're the owner to the house.
Me
The
feel like you have to
house.
go call Miss Chelsea for me.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Me feel
I'm the
like
new
Wanna
tenant.
go call Miss Chelsea?
Yeah, it is the
Wanna go call Chelsea for me, please?
Miss Chelsea. Call me. Chelsea.
Yes.
Somebody a call out of front.
Somebody who?
One black you. I don't know if I the landlord or who say, but somebody.
Black youth.
Yeah, I'm call out there, so.
Okay, sorry. Let me go deal with it.
I tell you, man, nothing come here, but you a man come here. I must see, I'm gonna lie down.
So, Chelsea have people are coming on. No, man. Let me tell her, hurry, mom. Miss Chelsea!
Davi Dan.
Go on.
Good morning, my landlord.
Come on, how are you? Please.
Want me here to sweep on top of your bike, so maybe they wear on the back and see. See my skunk call me say somebody come to me.
How are you, man? Sit down. What me I wonder? Sit down, man. Sit down. I know you nothing.
You're frightening me, that's why I wonder what.
Me come and miss one young lady, but I don't know if something wrong with her or she have some sickness in her head or what. Me come and I talk to her, she has to Chelsea now, like when man come her yard and she a roommate and all sort of sitting.
Wait, hold on. She rude to you?
He never
Disrespectfully?
not really disrespectful, you know, but he never pleasant.
Oh.
So, who is she?
Well, you know what I'm saying? I'm a young girl. I want a young lady. She over 18 to 19 years old, but she does look a place to rent. So, but I tell me brother say, like right I get hectic, you know, one hotel lockdown because I'm Melissa, I'm not sure when me I go back in my job. I'm a little side hustle. Me have to take payment rent, me decide say, me I go get one roommate. And just make sure say your rent cover. So me and I do it half and half. I did bring up a decision, suggestion the other day, and I say me make a decision, and me just happen for.
So, you're moving people in my place?
Well, then it says moving people in your place. Me live here, so I feel me yard. I own a few house, but I may live here. So, because I want to make sure say your rent alright every month, and me I see one little move with me and my account, and me I say, sure. Me I go just get one roommate here, man.
Alright, tell her.
Normally, this go against a landlord policy. This normally something like this where more people rent with an increase. However, you want good tenant and me never have a problem with you. So just do your thing, make sure some rent come in on time. But what I want to say to you is, you don't know her friend now, eh? You don't know if you know her friend. Well, you must know her still to make sure you can't live in with you because I want bedroom and one hall. So what I want to say to you is, I know I say you will have your rent covered, but just make sure that she have fair part covered because one way or another, you will rent the place, I never rent it to she. So any local damages, anything if you go on, you it all come from can me and that girl in a no business.
Me know. And that's why I explain certain things to her, you know. I explain certain rules and regulations to her and I tell her me that's no nonsense type of person. Zero tolerance to certain kind of action or behavior. So far so good. Me think me and her are going just fine. I'm not sure if nothing going to change down the line because people change every day. So I just hope and pray say she want good somebody and me and her not to go fall out because no problem in your place. But once your rent ready on time, me not supposed to have no problem.
No, so, sir, no problem.
Me hope and pray say she a good somebody and somebody good me take up put in my space. Come tell her that day say me no want no man over here. That's why she tell you say me no like man over here. No like me no like man over here, but me no want she carry no man for me in her place.
Well, me understand you know, and I really upset me. Glad that she a different place. But anyways, enough of that. God speed to it too, no. Anyways, me just come over here for me because know say next week some renovations will go on. So the AC technician will come and some look sense. So next week just forgive me but a little bit more nice out there than what's normally happening. So I just that me come to tell her.
Yeah. Me have no problem with that, you know. There's no problem with that. You want good landlord, we respect you, and the fact say you keep me posted and updated on whatever changes you want to make in your place. If I today or tomorrow you come or next week or next year for your place. Yeah. Just to make sure so me deal with it under certain conditions.
I just make you know a week in advance, man. So that have a wonderful day.
Yeah man, thanks for your visit.
Alright.
Take care of yourself. Me say, God, do make a one good tenant. Me put in a my landlord place. Cause you see the rent up here, you know, easy for deal with, you know. And a little young lady I me want him watch himself with me, you know. Cause me ever find out saying y'all in my place, I dig down my place and I go on with himself. Me have to go fling him out and find a way to pay me rent by myself back again, you know. Cause me not take up no problem more than what me have already. Oh.
Kayla. Yeah. Simas. Yeah.
You know say, I know one black man, I'm a landlord.
Oh, me didn't know if I the landlord.
I will landlord.
Oh, we landlord.
Yes, and he say you never so pleasant.
No,
you
I defend you because you know one man come here. So me say some man ya come up and no one go Chelsea me I say, no man.
Yeah, but tell us I no want no man here. Cause I no want no money in here.
Oh yes, so that me I tell him say you like when man come in a place, so who him? I must say better I go call Chelsea and something. So
well, me gotta call me because he come to talk to me about something.
Oh.
And he have some work to do some refurbishing next week, so he come give me one week notice I want heads up. So me have to explain myself to him a while ago. Because he don't know you, he never met you before. You're strange to him and the way you talk to him, he never like it.
Oh, I'm sorry, I told me I'm never two-faced, you know, because me just say, who you? Chelsea, you know, like when man come in yard, you know, so who you?
Well,
yeah, I'm asking who maybe I say.
So anyway, what you in here to do?
You know, some say that lie and auntie, but me better fit talk to you about something from the other day.
You see them there so?
Me didn't really go cheers to them, but remember the day when me dad look for some and put my clothes them. You hear me?
What you mean? You never really?
No, me never that got your things there. Because I say, just come here, you know. And me don't know what the things if you go, if something in the drawer, them because I say they lock. Me don't have extra vision for seeing them, so me have to open up if you see. But as I was in there, I see one red and black scarf.
Stop right there, so you're going to my things I'm going to nose. And that you're going to do. You're in my things I'm dig down like a few of them.
However, I was not nosing. Just...
What about my red scarf?
I like it. I was wondering if you could have lent me.
No, I'm not lend you. Me no lend, me no borrow, me no hire purchase, me no trust, and me no credit.
So, why you behave so strong?
You're supposed to behave strong over my things. I just tell you a while ago, so I'm not lend you. Matter of fact, me cannot lend you that scarf because it's of significant values. It's a gift and I don't want to lend it. I don't lend it out.
You should have said that. You should have said I want gift. You have to behave so.
Me have a right to behave over my things. Suppose me not trust you, me never like how you go through me sitting thing them.
Listen to me.
How me know say nah go through me things them when me not
Chelsea.
there?
I tell you the truth. Sometimes I feel like say me salt with people. You know. Me I tell you the truth. I couldn't see. I ask you a question. You can see Nigeria them?
I never salt your salt and sugar them dash upon you, but me I tell you say no, me can't see Nigeria them, but me know I'm left in me draw them.
But me have one more thing too. You know, see all the $5,000 still in the drawer.
See? Yeah there. How you know say 5,000 in my drawer?
Me pulley giant was on the top.
You have you open the drawer if you go in if you see $5,000.
No man, it's like the salt for true. Listen to me. Sorry for got your things. There was a misunderstanding. If I was got your things, I'd take up your money, you know.
So
But I did not.
Misunderstanding for going on some of the things and I dibble dabble round and
No,
here,
because me.
if you went take me 5,000 but I know say you take it because I'm here in here and I know me take it. And if 5,000 and I have foot and hand to walk out of my drawer. So I would have for you take it.
Listen to me.
I don't want no thief in here no. I don't want no thief in here. I was if you have that in your intention if you go through people sitting and you used to do that. Nobody with you with me sitting them.
You accuse me.
I not accuse you, I just tell you.
No, that's what you're doing. You're accusing me because I am telling you that I cannot see through the drawer. I never know. See, you never tell me say this is where my clothes are and this is where you should put your clothes. You never tell me that you're wrong. There's some man, Miss Chelsea, looking through you, Chelsea. I am new in the house. I don't know. I don't even know what they in them a jar or what they in the drawer.
Kayla.
Eh?
Kayla.
Yeah.
Look for me good.
Me I see you perfectly.
You rent room. You never rent dresser, chester's drawer and wardrobe and bed. I make you a bed for sleep. So if you want one dresser or you want the whole chester's drawer, the whole wardrobe for yourself, you say to me, say Chelsea, me can get one of them here empty please to put my stuff. I would have gladly given it to you.
But you say, me rent place, I me never rent bed. When you rent the place and the landlord, the bed them never come with it?
No, they never come with it.
Are you a bed there?
Yes, because I'm a live here.
Okay, this is what this is now. I don't too like what's going on here. There's too much tension going on in this room. And I like for us to live peacefully. So I will be the bigger person and go and sit on the veranda.
That you can do and
Yes,
should do.
I will do that.
And please and thank you.
Clearly, I am the bigger person.
Yes, be the bigger person, continue to be the
Yes.
bigger person.
Yes.
And same so you're big when me gone a road, gone do my business and I dig down in me sitting them. You think me not come see me sitting them different from how me fold them and set them? You chuck up me sitting them because you don't know nothing about neat and tidiness. You down in me sitting them and shove down your nose and your foot and your hand and you all your body and me draw them when me not there. God know if you search on my bed, I know on my suitcase them and me miss nothing I don't know yet. Foolishness.
What's that, my sister? Sam.
What your mum say? What your mum say?
So me catch heart failure.
Oh, heart failure. Your heart don't fail you. If you go back through me sitting them, you hear me I tell you, do not search me things them. I mean I want you again. Oh, cause you think you're smart like I feel me head have been water.
I mean you can't too.
No, I'm myself.
Me not got two people things so me don't know what you talk about.
Remember what I tell you say, okay, I say, do not search me things when I'm not there. Your space are your space, my space are my space. I don't want nobody to go through me things them. You rat?
But me never got through them.
Okay. I know what I'm going to do.
Okay.
And me just say, or me just come back in our place, you understand? Okay. Yeah. So,
Come back to class.
Chelsea.
Toga.
Hold on, the man for short about,
What?
My God, Chelsea.
A long time I not see you, Toga.
Long time I not see you.
Where you do up here?
Boy, you know, say me just come back in our place day before yesterday, so me I come, because you know, say, my uncle drop out. None of you are here.
Yeah, my condolences, man. Me here. But me never expect to see you. It's kind of surprising.
I see you white out and see,
No bother with the white out. That's how me born and I buy this.
You like it torn up and
No, no, two no night.
Okay. So things you do?
Me alright, you know me I go and give God thanks. Me live up here, you know.
You live up so?
Yeah. We move come on one nice house up there so
God.
sitting there
Why a
Milanda.
long time you left that
Davi Dan and Milanda.
I tell you. Him boy never there hold it down. Me I tell
He
you
hold-
from
why me I tell you
hear
truth?
me there.
And I know just hold down. That I hold all kind of side and hold and turn all
Why?
kind of way.
Them man they not still the boat.
I don't know, I don't see him, I don't look to see him, I don't look. Right now, I don't have nothing to do with no man.
Lift up from boat, you know. I call up my name, and say me a par with them, and me never want the banger crossfiring. I say people they want them, you know. Yeah, so that's why I did live for all me never did me call no to. So I they cut the time, I just cut.
That means I go long when I see you, I'm happy to see you. Yeah, I know say good and you're alright.
Me alright, to me they do me and make a little life and thing, you know.
No,
I want a little vehicle there, but me want drive, you come down and stay and people see say yo. And all everybody if you know the things are going for you.
Yeah.
More time, you understand?
Work in silence.
Yeah man, but me there still I go and me happy to see you do happy new year man again.
Me I go and take it easy and just go and spend some time and some money for myself. Me I try to organize myself and so up on the 2 foot right now.
Me know you're a hard working girl from
me I work hard from when, but
so
right now
we start run a school.
I feel I work a little harder now, brother, because me I tell them I don't want no man, me don't want no man things, and I don't want nobody to call me.
You still keep a party them?
Me have one party next week Friday, Roadblock.
Eh?
Yeah, my annual birthday party.
I sat them, I go in so I'm going to pass through your party and get a look.
Yeah man, all advice man and all a
yeah,
strength. Oh so, God bless no man curse.
Saturday or no, Friday. Friday
me say you know?
You
30 you know?
Me make a mistake.
So okay.
Friday we see each other before.
Yeah, and nobody make a mistake again like we make you last time and go and tell me.
No man, me are there man.
Alright, go on bless
can't believe me see you though. Alright. Chelsea, I'm a nice girl for a long time, you know. All that boy they don't know used to them a girl. See? She do her own thing, you know.
Slimmers!
Alright.
Where are you there now?
Me there.
Why I'm too busy, I'm gonna get to come back. You didn't even call me.
Me don't beg her, I'm in a good mood.
I'm here.
Now your sister, man.
What do my sister, why my sister have now?
You just upset me stomach.
How? What she do?
Me in the house, you know. And she talk about me I go try stuff. You know say me I go try stuff?
You have to see with my sister, you know. My sister head go and he come more while.
You need to make him head turn for anybody because me I pay money, you know, me I pay me rent. Because what the reason I end up in our things, you know. It's not like say me have extra vision. For say enclose them the inner day. Whatever they want to call it for the job.
Yeah.
Right. So me I looking if you see what in the she come back for money and say, oh me I go try things. And me I try to explain to her, I say, me can't see in them and I know see you close him there look me and come back up on them.
Oh, probably I look for rat. If any rat in a job, I would make you look at search your job say.
Anyway, third time the day when I was looking in the job by mistake, I see a scarf. A black and red one, and I tell her today, say I like this scarf, why can't she lend it to me? She said, a gift. I mean, I lend no gift. Me no lend, nor borrow, nor one bag of something in the
scarf?
In the house.
Which part in there?
My dresser, the left one.
The one you talk about, not true?
Yes, it said one.
Try on.
Me don't try no girl clothes.
And me buy this. Try on. You think I fear money pay for this? And me buy. Hey, put on. I even put it on your hand. Let me see how you would look on your hand. For your hand.
Me like it.
You want it? Alright, take it.
Take it?
As from today, I feel it's my money buy. She can't complain, she can't cuss.
A long time I see it, and I tell her say me like it and she go on the most way in the house.
Remember say you tell me say like rich man, you know?
Yes.
So anything
like
for your
man.
baby.
So honey.
Yes, me.
Like how you look. Long time I'm put on the company. But anyways, what you remember the time they come at the grill there say you don't leave?
Yeah.
They always said you know must enough come over here without money. You know no money and no you must come with money, man.
Why be?
Pick up this up not here. Turn around man, pick this up not here.
You don't give money not even no for that one me give you what you know.
Yeah man, pop it out.
But be a cheat, you know me think turn up for me and nah go done. But me have the money figure, you know.
You have the money?
Yeah, but me think nah go done. Me don't know what happened.
Squeeze it down man up, clamp your leg.
Come over the house now.
Alright, come, cause the man say we're gonna start now. We go hug up and that's it. Just hug up alone.
But me
And me angry, me put it on. Go on. We go hug up alone. Go on in. Hurry up, hurry up.
Yes, Father God. Almost reach home now. Thank you, Father God, for guiding and protecting me and my going out and my coming in. Oh God, me tired. Today was just a nice day. Tired. Take time going over my yard, you know.
Why be? If I saw your hug feel, one man we can go back in there and get 10 more hug for you.
No man, don't get ahead of yourself. It was just a one-time thing. It's not a two-time thing, it's a one-time thing. Get way.
No, forever now, what did it?
No.
Hello.
Hello.
What kind of eruption are going on, so?
Remember eruption?
No, I come to check. Remember me did tell her say, I check me always, I go come make sure to check up on her sis.
You a doctor?
No, remember me bring her over here, you know.
Wait, you a doctor?
I'm not really a doctor, but remember say me make sure they are, and I have to check if she alright.
A doctor check up people, I know you make sure they are. Me make sure they here. You bring her come here and leave her here. She's a tenant, she live here. My brother, what you do over here when me not there?
I come to secure the place, make sure that the place keep clean, remember?
You like it?
Hey little girl, what you do with my scarf? I'm not tell you something I not like when people go in on my things them.
And me go in there.
Move out of my way. I tell you some things have sentimental values and you go in on my things them before and I realize and I say to you and say nothing no go so and I get the benefit of the doubt. And now I come here and see I wear my things. I feel you?
And him tell me say I'm mine. Talk up in her mouth.
No brother, you live here?
No, I let.
No, you live here?
No, me not live
So
here.
why you going and me just a job go take out my things and
No,
give
I
her?
let her because she did.
No, you tell me say I'm
Oh,
mine.
you know say a pervert going on woman things? So that me say with a search and me draw with me draws them too. Give me. See you? When I tell you
You
to
say
put on
I'm
me.
mine.
But sister not.
This is what? I feel sitting. You come over here and take up my
I
stuff
let
and
me
me
let
house.
her it.
What you doing in my house in the first place? So go and play to take out my things and
So sis, me
then.
can't go back in your place again.
I don't want you to go back in my place. I don't feel your place. I don't live over here. Because you come over here when you want money and you want to go to the look sitting for Niam. And money for borrow.
Slim as if. I'll go.
Come out and go where you
I
are.
like how sister deal with me.
And don't come back in my place and trouble nothing for me. I don't live over here. Look girl, don't go back in my things then.
I never
If you
been
next time
going
make it
there.
happen, me I fling out your on your head. Go back in my things and if you think you're wicked. Don't borrow nothing more for me again.
What about this year? She worse than my sister. No, sir, I like man, the other man, you know. A man too. I'm in a hurt me.
Little man flip up Kayla. You see you know? You know something me really want to talk to you about something. I want to talk to you about a cocos bag of things. I tell you something, let me look if you take no money out of my job before I start talking to you. Because I realize you touches, you know. I think you want a little thief smartly. Anyway, what you do yesterday, I never too like you know. I never so pleased with what you do yesterday. Because I tell you something, I don't want nobody in me sitting them. I no lend, I no borrow, I no hire purchase, I no credit. And I no lend people things, I tell you that.
I never me going here things with your brother. And your brother going there go take out and give me, you know, I need this.
My brother want a little pervert, but I get to find out all that too.
Don't
and
say that
I come
about you.
see him in a place and I tell you, I don't want no man over here. You don't know when somebody say they don't want no man in a them place what they mean.
And your
No
brother?
man too, no man cousin, no brother, no auntie man, no girl boy. I don't want no man in a house. A one space and me a share space. If you want your business, go on out the road, go do it. Me tell you that. Apart from that, I want to rent. And tomorrow I rent you. Landlord I come here early. Me sure say I come here early a morning for rent.
No,
Me no
sir.
want to wait till tomorrow morning for no problem with you. Me want it from today.
Chelsea, you don't even say man, you just badge with one heap of soap, you just a dash down palm me so.
Me no need to say morning. What is good about the morning?
Well, me don't really have the money now, so later that forget when my boyfriend send me some money.
Later like what time later so?
Like in the evening, 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock, round there so you go get it.
No, me want to rent now.
Later on, Chelsea, later on, you just come down upon me so sudden. But the money, send off to my boyfriend, send off money, but me not go collect it. So me I say later, me I go collect the money, man. Hold until later.
But me just come down upon you. So when you come down in my things, I never know say me I go catch up on you.
You know, I say all along me in here and true me. You know, say me not tell no lie, Chelsea. Me always want to tell her something. You know, say you coming like my sister.
Me not coming like no sister, me coming like myself.
Every day I get up, I don't talk about too much things, man. My head that hurt me, I say ying 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 in my ears. You better make up on the road, listen to bike and car.
You don't say. So after you like in me things, them and a busybody in me business. And me find out and attack you about you. So what you say? What you really say? Me a ning in your ears?
Yeah, it's a talk.
If you're in me place, a freestyle me space, and a dung in me things, them may go have problem. Serious problem. You see, next time, me realize you're going to me things, them, or catch you, Havana, or wear nothing for me, you go see what me do you. I your last warning that, take care as me tell you. Because one thing for sure and two things for certain, I don't share things with people. Anything where you see me Havana mind. Me no borrow, me no lend, me no rent, me no hire purchase. And me no give people things. Out of me things that me I wear for wear. If me give you something, me give you for your techie. Me no lend you anything for your wear and put it back. Me no wear puppy or nothing.
You don't talk?
Me don't talk. But I first and the last me I talk to you. Now me keep me again.
Yes,
do not go back in me things them.
Yeah man, yeah.
Yeah man.
You know nothing for do?
Me I go find something for do.
Yes, find something.
Me sure someone find something for do and it go start and end with you. Watch by now and later. You must touch something else in it.
I'm really put myself in a. When me there with my sister there, she get up every day and hug me. No, this one is a huggy. Tired man.
Man, tell. You even know there's a bad luck also than Obia to backside. Then I go pick up all those and all in and contract throw down for me thing. I'm going to pick up this structure and put on in my damn.
What are we doing here?
Shh, you know, listen to me, sister. You must talk about, you know, a man in my house.
Right, so come out. Right now my head that hurt me.
What do you mean by that?
So to me, my rent for pay and I can't play that. So me know you're marching here. Can you see the hug we get yesterday? And you look extra something. Don't make it get to your big coconut brain. Cause my rent one pay and now me can't play that. And you can't put me up.
Me put you up.
How you gonna put up me? And when you meet me, you tell me say I have woman in your place. So you gonna put me.
Kayla, relax on me. Me tell her say yo, the hug where you give me yesterday.
Yeah.
That made me put out me woman.
What you not saying?
Me put out me woman.
You put her out?
A long time.
That not saying me still have my rent for pay.
Me can get the rent money.
Fuck up
I
it.
don't know me can get it.
Plus, when you come with the rent money, come with the yesterday money, can you escape? You never give me the money yesterday. So, take a little time and go on and go get the money.
Build back with your little.
Hello, go and get the money and come, man. Money talk first.
So I hope and pray and wonder say Wrld TV not turn up yourself, you know. And I hold man some money, man. Boy, I don't mind seeing too, you know. Because I want the next money for borrow, you know. I love that girl like to me, you know. Oh. John no start, she don't even know, you know, youth. How you can get some money from her now? Oh, you know, say come like. You know, I remember say me have some fake US them, you know. I wonder if me can go for some of them and dash it on her. I wonder if it go work. You know, say nothing try, nothing done. Go down there, I go try. Ah, Sita. What this work?
No boy, you determined.
You have rent money, come on.
Where they?
In my pocket. In my pocket, come on. You come in, my sister.
She know that you just have the money, you know.
No, what do I do before she come back now?
Let me see money. Let me see money.
Yo, you're just a rush.
Let me see the money, man. Give me money. How much? It's a 30,000, you know.
So me never
It's a more than me rent. Jesus, alright. Sister can't chat to me now. You can't condom. Now what you sell your sister have? What you do? What she do with it? Like she use it. No worry. No, come in there. Pull out.
Pull out.
Come on.
Come in.
Wait.
God. Oh God, yeah.
Alright, I hit that. Chelsea! Yeah. Oh God. I got my clothes. Hold on.
Sit down where you're gonna go. They're not like till the morning. Girl, me no want my brother. You really come back over here after me?
Sis, I want to you, sis.
Come to you. Wait. Me talk to you this morning. And me tell you say, in next mishaps me a fling you out here. And they're not like till the morning. I am my brother. And look which part of that too. In my bed. In a baby bed.
So be careful you go on.
Girl, you got sense.
Yo, take time with me, woman.
Talk
Are you
to me.
woman? Oh, you are your woman.
Yes.
Story come to bump. All England jack. Come, get up. Come on.
Girl.
Take up your seat, man. Come
See
on.
all the money.
Yeah, give me.
Me don't need to turn in here. Come baby, come.
Come on. Are you? My brother, me lose half for you. Me lose half for you.
A long time me put up with the foolishness.
Hey, girl.
Long.
Come on.
If you ever.
Me bust up your face too.
Come on,
You can't tap
come
me
on.
and see me place.
Come
Come
on.
on. Move for yourself. Come on. Come on, girl.
See me, come out here.
Come on, girl. Take up your seat, man. Come out here for me. Lick off your head for your body. You know
My
what
friend,
I
I'm out to me what on your place.
Come on. Me never see nothing like me so in my life. Girl come in and place and carry all man in my place and in my bed. Come here. I forgot burn up this mattress here now. That girl I worse thing ever happen to me, Father God. I will never take up one next somebody put in my place but me want share my space with no damn roommate. Roommate up backside. In all kind of corrosives come control down in my place. And about me forget 100 US but 200 US. This money are not even real money. Damn idiot girl. Eh? And panta bata and my brother I make a take him turn Google bat. You know yam bank ya banana root everything in a one. Damn lamp look here. Laga head girl my brother give him fake US money. Then my brother gone with him down already not even know say a fake money my brother have a prank him with. Damn idiot girl. Me say me never see nothing bun me so yet man. You feel like just mash up the place, you know. I take out the mattress and show you what I do and go burn up right now and then sheet here. I want him back in the place. Never again me I go on next roommate but me I share no room with nobody. Shall listen to me landlord, you know. My landlord want me and me never listen. Damn laga head girl. Foolishness.
Welcome back, guys. You have make it to the end of the film. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Also, share too. Yo, room, that a code. Boom.